In the past, many published genealogies were creations of brief paragraphs that detail the vital facts of a person's life. This data includes birth date and place, death date and place, and the relatives of each person, including parents, spouse or spouses, and children. Today, many genealogy software programs can spew out narrative reports that turn data facts into sentence templates. If you stop there, you have not written a family history that any non-genealogist wants to read. It's okay to use narrative reports at a starting point to overcome the problem of writer's block. But turn these starter sentences into something more, and your family will love you better.